guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing out the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now I bought this quite a few months ago, I think. Yeah, I think I bought this a while ago, but I still haven't had a chance to try it yet. But today is the day. I'm very excited. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on this before I actually bought it, and the reviews were amazing. Everybody loved it. The lashes looked amazing after it. Super long, super curly, and just perfect. So I thought, I've got to buy it. And I think it was only like $8.99, so super affordable. I love the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, so I'm hoping that this is going to be a little bit better than that one. But yeah, I'm very excited to try this out. I have no mascara on right now, I have just the rest of my makeup. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, now I've zoomed you in to test it out. So first of all, I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Okay, so let's go. First of all, I love the wand. That is my type of wand. There, it's like fatter on the outsides, thinner in the middle. So my type of wand. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, now this is one coat. I'm not necessarily blown away. I think it looks nice, but I mean, it's just okay. I think I'll do another coat and we'll see how it looks then. It looks okay. It looks nice. It does look really nice, but I think I was expecting a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll leave this dry and do another coat. Sometimes I think second coats on mascara make it worse, but I'll give it a go. Yeah, I'm not fussed on second coats. Let me just use this brush. It is a Morphe M221 just to comb my lashes through. So this is how it's looking with two coats. I definitely prefer the look of just one coat, but I mean, it does give you a bit more volume and thickness with two. I actually really like the mascara. I wouldn't say it's amazing, but it's definitely a nice mascara. Definitely worth it for $8.99. I was expecting a little bit more, but I think that it looks really, really nice actually. It makes my lashes curled, it makes them longer, and it definitely makes them a lot thicker. So yeah, I would recommend it. I do really like it. I don't know if I prefer it to the Lash Sensational. I think they're kind of like on a par with each other. So yeah, that was my review of the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below if you've tried this mascara and what did you think of it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!